Hello guys, and welcome back to Arc 1 Welding. My name's Calvin, and I want to start off with a huge apology. Sorry for the wait. My last video was over a month ago. This YouTube is a hobby for me, so you know, life takes priority over this, and I get around to these videos as I can. So this week's video, I am welding together two welds for my friend. He supplied me with what looks like a flange that he wants a reducer welded onto. You can see it right here. I've never welded an exhaust before, but through the YouTube videos that I've seen and the knowledge that I've gotten over the years, I roughly knew what I was trying to do, but I don't think I had the right equipment. I had bad purging gear. I didn't have a big enough shroud on my TIG torch, so I could only weld in short sections just to keep the gas coverage over the whole weld, to keep it a nice colour, stop it from going all dark and grey. I remembered I had some acetone laying around, so I grabbed that so I can clean the fittings to give me the best chance of a good weld. Next, I set up my nitrogen purge. I went with quite a high flow rate, probably went way overkill than what was needed, but I have no reference to go by. This is what I was mentioning earlier about not having the right equipment. So I've got this sponge and I'm just shoving the sponge in one side of the pipe to cap it off. And then I use masking tape as a kind of barrier, because the insulating tape or laggers tape I have, it sticks so hard that it's almost impossible to peel off cleanly. So I thought, let me put a barrier of masking tape around it first and then tape over that, but it backfires later on. The masking tape starts to melt, burn, smoke, but it kind of still helped me out. The silver tape is usually used by laggers who wrap the pipe in insulation, and they use this tape to tape up the seams. So that means the moment the tape gets hot, the glue just gives up and then the tape peels away, effectively ruining your purge. So the technique I'm using to weld this together is just freehand dabbing. I like to do as short sections as possible and move around as much as I can, you know, just to disperse the heat. The welds came out okay. If I could do this again, I would probably not use the masking tape, and best case scenario, have a better shroud. But other than that, when you're doing certain things for friends as a favour, you can get away with certain liberties that you wouldn't do on paid work, for example. By the end of the weld, the masking tape had given up, and you can see how the tape just fell off. That's partly because the masking tape burnt away, but regardless to using the masking tape, the laggers tape itself, the glue would have deteriorated and fell off anyway. The next part I have to weld up is, it's like a reducing sleeve over the back box. I spoke to my friend asking if he wanted it chopped down, because you know it reduces down, and he said no. Personally myself, I would have chopped it down, because you don't want to mess with exhaust restrictions unnecessarily if you don't have to. But now I'm purging the back box, again trying to get a nice clean weld in case I do penetrate all the way through on my next weld. And here I didn't use the same masking tape method, and I just went to tape it on directly, and I regret that decision later on. So in this video there isn't much welding, but it kind of made me realise how fun it is to weld exhaust. I definitely want to get into welding exhaust on the side. So what did I do here? So basically I done a modification on this exhaust for my friend. It's completely DIY, which is why I didn't mind practicing on this. This is the first ever exhaust pipe I've ever welded. This here is a coupling. This will be able to have obviously the quick release on the car, and then I welded the piece at the bottom, which is like a reducing kind of sleeve, and then he can adjust the length between the two pieces, and maybe I'll weld the rest of this later on, or he will just use some kind of coupling. First exhaust, like I said, I've ever done. I think it came out alright. I'm happy with it. I purged it just because I didn't need to, but I thought, let me give him something that is top quality. So yeah, this was a quick little video. I thought I'd share it with you guys. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and I'll check you lot in the next one. Thanks for watching.